Well, I'm driving over to where the motorhome's in storage, and I was going to take a look at it. Last weekend I walked outside and it was pouring the rain down, and about 30 degrees, so everything froze. It was freezing rain, and everything's been coated with ice all week long. And tonight Fairbanks is expecting 40 to 50 mile an hour winds with 4 to 6 inches of snow, so a little mini blizzard. So here's the Alaska RV Center where it's in storage, and we'll just see if we can take a peek at it. All the snow was melting off of it last time I looked at it. Kind of sucks that all the snow is coming back. I see it way back there. Okay, I see it way back there. The only RV that has clear windows there. Won't be long now. Looks like a lot of people are getting their RVs out. I'm planning on getting mine around March 15th. So we'll see what the roads look like then. That's a nice looking rig. Alright, just one quick check out. I've noticed this old camper a few times when I drove by on the way over to the storage lot. Isn't that cool looking? It's an Apollo. Kind of sweet. Old vintage.